Hey guys, Francis here. In this video, you're going to be learning the difference between affiliate marketing and dropshipping. Okay, now if you've been wondering which one to get started with first, okay, in this video you understand the two differences and some of the pros and the cons of these two businesses and which one you can get started with. Alright, now my name is Francis Abogone. If this is your first time watching my video on YouTube, my name is Francis. I do entrepreneurship videos, I do make money online methods, and I document my experience and my journey on this channel. So if you like videos in terms of making money online, alright, I invite you to hit the red subscribe button, hit the bell icon so you get a notification from me when I upload my next video. That way you don't miss out on anything, alright? Now in this video, my friend Melinda is going to be taking you guys or sharing her experience in terms of affiliate marketing and drop shipping and how she has made money over the years with these two business models, alright? In this video, you're going to be learning a lot of things because she's going to be outlining them in a tabulated form, breaking them down step by step. That way you get to understand everything about this business. Okay, if you're an advanced marketer, you understand that as long as you're good with marketing, okay, you can actually do both, all right? Because I have a lot of people who are currently doing both. They're doing both affiliate marketing and dropshipping also, okay, which are amazing business model, and both of them work very well, all right? For those people who keep saying dropshipping might not be working right now, dropshipping is dead, affiliate marketing is dead and all that, you're not correct. Okay, this business model works very well. So in this video, you're going to be learning from Melinda how she's able to run her business, okay, and what takeaways, okay, what things you can learn from this her entire strategy, and also some of her experiences she has gathered over the years. Okay, so I'm going to link Melinda's channel in the description of this video so you can go ahead to subscribe to her channel. Okay, her channel is actually new. You can subscribe to it and learn a lot about making money from home. Melinda currently runs a YouTube channel that helps moms make money from home and run their own online business. All right, so if you think you can find value in such kind of content, all right, which I know you're definitely going to find value in them, go ahead and subscribe to her YouTube channel. The link will be in the description of this video. So with that being said, we're going to be getting started right now so we can hear from Melinda herself, firsthand from her, on the difference between affiliate marketing and dropshipping, so you can understand the pros and the cons and which one you can do, or if you can actually do both yourself and all that cool stuff. So we'll be getting started right after this intro. Let's give it up for Melinda. Let's do this, guys.
Hey guys, how's it going? It's Melinda Akindele here. Today we're going to be talking about something important. Actually, quite a lot of people want to find out exactly what the difference between starting an affiliate marketing business compared to a dropshipping. If this is your first time watching my YouTube channel, please consider subscribing and also clicking on the notification bell to get notified anytime I release a video. So let's go straight into it. If you're new to the online space, there's so many online businesses that you could do. Affiliate marketing, dropshipping is one of them. You can sell on Amazon. There's so many business out there that you could actually do. So before we start comparing both, if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, it's basically just selling someone else's products or services or software and getting a commission for it once you successfully refer a customer to the third party. So you're kind of like a middleman. And dropshipping is basically selling a physical product, but you're not in control of those products. So you're basically dropshipping those products. A lot of people actually do dropshipping from China. So you're in contact with the manufacturer of the product, and when you sell the product, people usually use Shopify front-end store. Once you sell a product, you contact the manufacturer, and then the manufacturer ships the product directly to your customer. So you actually don't touch or even don't see the product. So that's exactly what dropshipping is. And I actually have both businesses currently. I do have a dropshipping business here in the UK of a garden product. I do dropship garden product directly to my customer, and I also do have affiliate marketing business. So what I'm going to be talking about is going to be really based on my experience on both businesses. So let's jump straight into the profit margin. So for affiliate marketing, it's usually on average around 50%. Dropshipping really varies, so it could vary from product to product. So it could be around I would say probably around 5 to 40% is really on the high side. Usually, maybe around 5 to 30%. So it really varies with the drop shipping. When it comes to costs, you can start these businesses without, I wouldn't say without any funds, but with very little funds. But I'm gonna advice based on if you actually want to start a proper business. You really want to take this as a business. For affiliate marketing, you would need some sort of course to guide you on a system to follow and actually teach you exactly what affiliate marketing is and how to actually go about marketing. So I would say investments would be around 1 to 2K. For dropshipping, I would say it would be around, I would say 2 to 3K, because dropshipping is really all about paid advertising, and your store really is not going to work if you don't advertise your products. And the next one is going to be inventory. So sorry, my hands are already hurting. So inventory. So there's no inventory for affiliate marketing, definitely, and you also do not have inventory for dropshipping because these products are being directly shipped to your customer from wherever it is, mostly China. For ads, I would say yes and no for affiliate marketing, simply because there's so many people that use the organic way of doing affiliate marketing. But also you need to note that you if you're not able to scale, if you're not able to advertise for your affiliate marketing product or services, you don't have any chance of actually scaling your business. Sorry about the noise. my kids. For dropshipping, that's a definite yes, because if you do not advertise for your store, your Shopify store, for example, you really don't have a business and no one is going to be able to find your store. Customer service, there's no customer service for affiliate marketing. There is definitely customer service for dropshipping. So that means the customers, they come to you. You then order the product from your supplier. And if your customer have any issues, they come to you because you're the store, you're the front end store. So there's a lot of customer service, which is one thing that I'm not too crazy about. Recently, I had an order and there was something wrong. And basically, I just have to, keep the emails back and forth with the supplier, and the customer kind of like have to keep them happy. So yeah, that's one thing that I'm not too crazy about, the customer service. So with the admin, this is kind of like the administration for affiliate marketing. There's really no much admin with affiliate marketing. The only administration that you kind of have to do is maybe trying to get your business out there, like videos like this that I'm creating. Yes and yes, I would say. There's a lot of admin. There's a lot of admin with dropshipping. So, for example, when your customer order the product from you, you then have to, create an order to fulfill the product. So imagine having like 50 to 100, which is definitely possible with dropshipping, if you have money to actually do advertising. So imagine having to fulfill that every day, 50 to 100 orders every day. And another thing people do when they get to certain stages, they hire virtual assistants to be able to do that. But again, this is also, there's a lot of costs implications with dropshipping. So which is actually going to eat into your profit margin. So delivery, there is no delivery here because majority they could be physical. People could be promoting physical products. Don't get me wrong. So I'm actually going to say yes and no, because majority of the affiliate products that I do, they're usually like softwares, digital product, things that can be delivered instantly. So I would say yes or no for this. And for dropshipping, delivery, definitely yes. One of the big problem with dropshipping is the fact that people, their manufacturers are usually in China. So if you're selling to someone who is in the UK, usually it takes about sometimes up to a month to get items delivered to your customers in the UK. But there's another like shipping method that takes about 2 weeks, and sometimes they can get it early, sometimes they can't get it early, and people start refunding and bombarding you with emails and calls and trying to find out where the product is. So these are a few things from my experience. Definitely I do prefer affiliate marketing, and the reason why I prefer doing affiliate marketing is the fact that there's no really so much stuff that you have to do once you master the model that you use in attracting people to your offers. That's literally all you have to do. And most times you have to do like videos like this, trying to get your prospects into what you're actually doing. So I hope this is enough information for you to decide on what you want to do. If you want to create a business around affiliate marketing or dropshipping, I highly recommend affiliate marketing because sometimes these profit margin could actually be higher. Sometimes you could even get up to 100% commission on affiliate marketing. And when you sell high ticket products, if you're getting 50% on $1,000, for example, which is 500, so that's definitely good money. And you don't really need to sell too much of those to be able to make a good income in a month. So I really do love affiliate marketing. If you'd like to know how I'm profitable with affiliate marketing and how I'm able to set high ticket product to get high commission, there's a link below. Just click on the link below. If you've got a question, just leave a comment below, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care and bye bye.